Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Well guys, on the gold market we could make just minor update on our recent analysis. So on the daily chart, as you can see, we do not have any big shifts at all. So in general, market keeps with the bullish sentiment since after the fast rally right to the 127 target. The butterfly market showing just minor retracement, but it still holds above the 1260 area, and this looks bullish. So technical picture right now still stands bullish. Now all questions and all eyes on the non-farm payroll list. Reuters poll of analysis suggests that market should show data should show the 202,000 new jobs, and as you understand, it's obvious that further direction, at least in the short term, will depend on the numbers. But following the technical picture, it seems that maybe we will get some negative surprise. We will see what will happen, but currently, guys, as I said, market behaves absolutely in a row with our expectations. So normal retracement, normal bullish behavior. So let's hope that we will get our continuation right to the 1330 area. What we have on the intraday charts? On the intraday charts, guys, we have something interesting. So you can see our yesterday drop to the testing of the here was retested the weekly pivot point. Now market has shown another drop and return right back up, and the monthly pivot still stands untouched. But before non-farm payroll release will happen, it's probably market could show some action to the downside again. I'm not sure that this definitely will happen, but this could happen, at least on some volatility before the data release. Because here market is forming something that reminds me some kind of the free drive pattern. It, unfortunately, guys, this pattern doesn't hold the clear ratios as we prefer. So this low stands not quite at 127 on this retracement. Okay, I will show you. This will be much simpler. So if I will build the retracement, you will see that the 127 stands lower than these lows. So it's not quite the ratios that market holds. That's why it's not will be quite correct to call it as the free drive, because we know that the usual normally free drive should follow the equal extensions. For example, 1618 free drive. It means that each drive stands at 1618 extension. Or classical free drive, and the second drive stands at 127, third drive will stand at crossing of the 1618 of the first and 127 of the second. But here you see that's a bit not quite the story, since it's a bit market hasn't quite keep the ratios. That's why, guys, but behavior in general reminds me this situation, this possible as it looks like the free drive. So what we could wait here, what we could watch for, one of the possible solutions here could be watching for stop grabber. If market will form the bearish stop grabber here in the nearest hours, it will mean that market really could take it out of these lows, and if this will happen, it will mean that market probably will touch the weekly monthly pivot point. Because, guys, reversal just a few cents above the monthly pivot and without testing it, when the market stands so close, it's really happens really rare. So that's why the chances that market will hit it first and then turn to the upside significantly better than the upward reversal right here. Everything could happen, of course, but currently the situation looks so that this market could touch this area first and then turn to the upside, because market was able to reverse on any time before, since weekly pivot point has hit, double report target has hit, market has hit major support, but every time something stopped market and turned down again. Here again, although we see this bounce up, but it definitely it's not yet the thrusting actions mostly reminds the action that we see here, very similar to this one. That's why if we will see the grabber here, be prepared for a possible taking of these lows and touching finally the monthly pivot point. Still, overall bullish situation still holds, and if market, well, as soon as market will do this, for example, test the monthly pivot point, watch for the numbers. If they will be negatively surprised, so then it will be our chance for a possible taking long position on the gold market. So situation should be clarified in a few hours.